Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things.
Wala kayo magpabukas?
Tignan mo, baka may susi dyan ng ano, EK9.
Ano naman? Thank you po.
Ano pala mo na sabi doon?
Wala, ewan ko. Ito pala.
Pero na-edit ka na?
Tapos na napasa ka. Talagang ganito ka haba oh. Tapos sa gising.
So? Basa! Basa ito.
Kabaliktaran na sa akin to.
Why do you always say that?
May ambag ako dito.
Right? Para
Sa akin mga dos dito.
mag-aaral.
Yan, kapag yung aking dos dito.
Totoo naman. Aside ako.
Tama ka lang pare.
LSM, sana all!
Daing ibang mumuyahon kundi ikaw. Papadabang punta ka. Sugod pa.
Basa akin yan. Hindi mo kasi basa akin.
What basahan? Anong ilalagay ko? Wala akong basahan.
Damit ko sa likod.
Sige na please, wag nang mainis. Bumalik ka na sa akin. Hindi nagre-reply si Pauline sa akin. Feel ko lang siya sa bahay.
Punta na natin na nakamotor. Sabi, pagkari, sundin kita. Ayaw mo?
Tama na.
Ang yan, para magkita ulit tayo. The end.
Hindi ako yung tipo nagbibigay motibo. Oo, aking sinta, pangarap lang kita.
Nandun lang tayo movie. Lagyan mo dyan, traffic to promise natatapos natin. So tayo na yung pinapanood ko, hindi na ako nakanood eh.
And my love, mahal kita. I'll scream with you, you'll be safe here. Mag-say hi ka muna to the vlog. Hi. Sabi niya, good luck ka na kagalingan mo. Tapos grabe yung smile. Nag-what?
Di mo pa, wala, di ko pa in-edit story.
Nag-what?
Hindi. Oo, vlog yung picture.
Ala pa, watch ako. Watch ko na.
Pag, hindi ko, tinatamad ako i-edit eh.
The respondents. The researchers' respondents are the grade 12 students, officers of different organizations in Santo Rosario, Sapang Padre College Incorporation. This
Now, for the next chapter of our research, here is Miss Limpao.
The interview took place from November 30 to November 24,
Thesis advisor.
2023.
Pangalan,
This
Mr.
led
Fern.
to duration.
Let go!
Siyempre, dapat ipapakitahan na nagbibidyo-bidyo tayo kasi sabihin na naman, nakabidyo ka na bakit?
Handa akong manatili hanggang sa iyong pagkalma. Magsisilbing lakas mo tuwing nanghihina ka. Patatahanin kita kapag may problema ka. Dadamayan ka sa lahat, aking sinta.
Living away from my mother for a decade is like going into a war with nothing but just prayers. Living away, ano ba living far? Parang yung pusang gumagano. Parang ang nagsasayang lang ako ng energy kasi nagre-reklamo ko, gagawin ko rin naman siya. Pero kasi, it's just so overwhelming. And I don't have a script yet. Tapos sabi ko, ipapacheck ko yun. But okay. And I swear to God, itatabi ko na itong mga damit at hindi ko lang alam kung kailan ko siya magagawa. Oh, it's like, I have so many things to do to the point na hindi ko alam kung anong uunahin ko. Kaya parang tinatakasan ko siya ng tinatakasan. And it's so annoying. Oo, wala lang, yun lang. Okay, bye. This is the current view. Tada! I know, ang kalat, but ganun talaga. Oo, ganun talaga, sis. And also, another thing why hindi ako mapagwalis because the tables are not tabling. I mean, it occupies so much space and hindi naman ganun kalakihan yung room ko. So, ayun. Hindi ko alam ba't ako nag-explain pero feeling ko, idadagdag ko to dun sa snippets ng parang a day in a life of a graduating Hume student. Graduating! Oh my gosh! Hi guys, good morning. Today is March 19. Na-realize ko lang na grabe pala ako mag-express ng mga nararamdaman ko sa mga tao. Dapat hindi naman ganun. Like, I feel like most of the time, nagmumukha lang akong tanga every time I express myself too much. So, ngayong year, that's what like I'm trying to kind of lessen. I'm gonna try my best to avoid that kasi, like, they don't really care naman. Like, kung paano ako mag-care. So, what's the point, right? Kaya, wag na lang tayo maging ano. Kasi, tayo lang din masasaktan kapag, alam mo yun, naging very expressive tayo. However, the lover in me speaks that life is too short to not express what you really feel towards people. Pero kasi sister, alam mo yun, parang meron nang naka-instill na set expectation sa mga utak natin na parang kapag hindi natin nakuha yung expectation na yun, syempre masasaktan tayo kasi we were expecting it nga, 'di ba? So like, di ko alam kung saan ako lulugar, but okay, whatever. Alam mo, merong like mga days na parang, I don't wanna care about you, ganon. Tapos, minsan, merong ding mga days na I wanna show you so much love, parang, ang hirap kapag ganun kang tao. But, okay, whatever. Ayun pa, yung isa pang parang nakakaano din ng brain. Kaya kapag minimum wage earner, parang may isip mo na dapat magpursige ka ng maigi. Kasi nga, sa ekonomiyang to, tapos ganun kaliit yung kinikita mo. 'Di ba? Parang, hello, bakit ka pa tatamarin kung wala ka nang makain, 'di ba? Pero, may mga times din na parang pag minimum wage earner ka, tapos parang nakakaano bang magtrabaho kasi ang liit-liit ng sahod, 'di ba? Pero if above naman yung pay, like above minimum wage, parang nakakaano din na tamarin. Kasi nga, anong tawag mo dito? Maayos yung pay. So bakit ka tatamarin, 'di ba? Pero I feel like, what I'm trying to say lang is, wala talagang patutunguhan kapag naging tamad ka. Oo, wala lang, share ko lang. Diba, ang gulo ng thoughts ko. Pero, ayun yung parang number 1 talaga na umaano sa isip ko.
Wala, hindi na libre yung class picture.
May bayad?
Rock your creative. Ay, hindi, joke lang. Pero nakalagay dito, a non-grade 10 or grade 12 student shall inform his or her advisor if he will or she is
I did! Oo nga, it's really low but na. Okay, edi kunin natin yung isa.
Laki ng problema eh. Yan, gawa mo ko layout.
Bakit? Ano? Sa Filipino ba ako?
Ate, hi, take to. Say hi.
Hello, hi. Kinakabahan kasi ako ate, kaya bawat galaw ko sinisend ko sa'yo. Sa bagay, kasi isa-isa kasi in-input, so parang pag nawala, sayang naman effort, no?
Feels like I'm drowning.
Okay lang, let's be kind today. I will choose to be kind today kasi oo, para ano, maging mabait din si Lord sa akin at bigyan ako ng creative juices para may maisip.
I am now. All my ghosts are taking turns to play another round of hunt and seek. I don't know when all this will end. Just wanna hide away. Broken pieces in a puzzle, what a lonely little bubble slowly falling.
Done with the second to the last night. To the last night. I don't know if that's even correct, but we're done. So done with work.
Take a minute to just think about everything you see. Take a minute, let it wash away. Remember that you are everything you need. Take a minute to stare at the lights in this lovely life. A future waiting inside. I know you've had enough.
Hindi ko makita yung pares. Tapos pagsilip ko dun sa labas, nandun pala sa dulo. Tapos sakto, nakauwi na siya. Ano na lang po, tag na lang po.
If I show up, will you show me around town? If I make you laugh, will you give me some time? 'Cause I know that a girl like you could be falling in love just about anyone. All I want is just to know it's just to hang around, walk on the same ground.
Sabi ko, iwas ako stress. Natagtagan, sobrang!
You remind me of the days gone by, all the real good love turned up just in time. And if I show up, will you show me around town? If I make you laugh, will you give me some time? 'Cause I know that a girl like you could be falling in love with just about anyone. Oh, do, do, do.
You know what? Every time I try to meet Aya ganyan, and always tell me na kami pang time. Girl, no.